guys know, I moved into my apartment a few weeks ago, but for some reason it's taken me a lot longer than necessary to get my place together. I really can't live like this. I feel so my mind feels so cluttered, and I know that it's because my space is cluttered as well. So today, and if it even takes tomorrow, I'm going to get my space together, but I have to start with cleaning this room. And I know what you're thinking. Why are you just taking everything off of your floor and putting it in the closets? Well, that is because I cannot deal with those clothes right now, but I promise you I will come back to them. A lot of the clothes that I'm putting in my closet are going to end up back out here anyway. I just need to get them out of the way so that I can sweep and sanitize the floor. So that is why things are going in my closet. I promise you I am not leaving them there for good. Like, I can't stand clutter anywhere, so my closets are going to be clean, so just keep watching. So while the floor is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do one of the DIY projects. For this room makeover, there's like quite a few projects that I wanted to kind of like try. I watch a lot of Best Dressed. I love her channel, and she did one of the DIY room makeovers, and so a lot of this was inspired by that. So one of the things I'm gonna do is a floating shelf. I kind of like the white, kind of like whitewashed board color here, but I think I'm just gonna go over it with the white. I'm gonna try one side of it first to see how I like it, and if I don't like it, I'm just gonna flip it over and just kind of still have this color. But I have a lot of things that are kind of like this color in my room, and I kind of want to switch it up a little bit. So we'll see what it looks like after I paint it. I'm sure like you can put several coats on it, but I really like the way it looks with just one. Like, you can kind of still see the detail of the wood. I also like the way the brush strokes look on the wood, so I think I'm just gonna do one coat, and it literally only took like 3 minutes to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint the other one, and I think my floor is pretty much dry. I have all the windows open, and I also have the fan going, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the room. Hopefully that is the hardest part. I'm so out of breath. I know it's necessary to have a second person to assemble this bed, but what IKEA doesn't realize is that I'm as single as it gets. I didn't. I think I'm just gonna work a little bit more through the night. I know the lighting is getting kind of dark, but I'm gonna try to like bring in another lamp just to add more light. I just can't stop. Like once I get started with something, I can't stop. What you see behind me is my fully assembled bed. Well, almost. I still have to put the box spring up, and it looks kind of confusing, but I feel like I've made it this far. I might as well keep going. So first of all, this bed is so high. Like, yo, this bed is like legit off the ground. Like, I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. This is supposed to be the footboard, but I kind of like it as the headboard. I'm gonna have like some pictures right here that I made. So I'm probably gonna have to come back and do that tomorrow because I'm pretty tired, so. See you guys in the morning. Bye. Hey you guys, welcome back to day 2. So as you can see, the bed is up and it only took forever to do, but it's done. I think that was probably the hardest part of this entire room makeover. So I'm just gonna make up the bed and then continue to, you know, move stuff in. So let's get started. Okay, so that only took forever, but now that it's done, let me give you guys a quick tour. So this is what you see when you're walking in. You have this huge closet over here to your right, and then you have another closet, a little smaller closet to your left. So it's a lot of storage room. I also just want to show you guys that I did straighten up my closet. I got all the stuff off the floor, but it's still pretty junky. So I still got a lot of work to do. I also straightened up this closet as well. I have a lot of stuff, so it does look a little bit cluttered, but you know, I didn't just throw everything from my room in my closets. I did, but I also cleaned them out. So this is the same rug that I had in my last studio apartment, and this rug is from Wayfair if you didn't have a chance to watch that video yet. And when you turn immediately to your left, you see my lamp. I kind of didn't have a choice whether I wanted to put it in this corner because the light switch here controls this lamp. And I just have my plank from IKEA. Here to the wall, you have my map. You guys recognize this map from my last studio apartment tour as well. Right, so if you come over here to my right, I have my floating shelves that I made, and I'm so proud. So I've got these little wooden shelves from Home Depot, and I got them to cut it for me, and I just painted it white with some acrylic paint. And then I just have my high school diploma and then my invitation from when I graduated from college. And then I have my favorite vinyl, which is the Whitney Houston album. And here is a jar that I keep with seashells and a note that I got when I went to Cuba. And here's Charlie, everybody. He's doing a lot better. I put him in the sunlight and he hates the sunlight. So now that he's over here in a little bit of the darkness, he's doing a lot better. I just got this floating shelf from IKEA. And then I went and bought 2 milk crates and I put them on top of each other. And I made myself kind of like a nightstand / bookshelf. And then I always keep my journal by my bedside. These covers I got from Amazon. They're 100% linen and they're really, really soft. And I love the weight of them as well. I feel like I sleep better when my covers are a little bit more weighted. And then I have this from Home Goods. I wanted it to match the basket here that I have just to keep my throw and also my pillows. My throw pillows whenever I'm sleeping. And then you come here to my wall art. I actually made these, so I saw the idea on Pinterest and I didn't want to pay money for something I could do myself. So I went to an art store, got some canvases, and then got some gold acrylic paint and just did it myself, freehand. On the other side of my bed, I don't know what these are called, but I also got these from a thrift store. I got these from a art store. And I really, really love them. I feel like it adds to the theme of the room. I also have my rose quartz here that I like to keep on my bedside and just some extra storage. As you can see, I switched up the curtains a little bit. I went ahead and went with the linen curtains because I feel like they do a better job at matching my covers on my bed. So I just switched to linen and I like it a lot better. And I got these a while back from Home Goods. And then of course you have me. Hi. Okay, JK. You have this mirror that I got from IKEA, and it's actually pretty cheap. It was $49, and mirrors this size go for at least 100, 120. So I'm really, really happy with the mirror that I got. I feel like it serves its purpose, and I just threw some Christmas lights around it as well. And this stool that I got from Five and Below. This fan is actually my favorite thing in the whole wide world. I hate being hot when I sleep. And now that I have my linen covers, they are a little bit more warm. So this fan is awesome. I'll show you. Control. And then you can also turn it down as well. And it rotates. So this is pretty much everything. I tried to make sure that everything in here serves some type of purpose or just at least add a little bit more decor to the room, but I don't really like clutter. In fact, I really hate clutter, especially in my sleeping space. So I wanted to go for a kind of minimalist / bohemian style. So this is my first like official room because I haven't had a room in forever. Since I lived in a studio apartment. So I'm, doing my best with trying to keep it open, free space. So yeah. Okay, so that is the end of my room makeover. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content in the future. So I hope you guys have a blessed day or night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.